Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know Windows installation date in PC or laptop. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to know Windows installation date in PC or laptop. First, just click Windows icon in the bottom left. After that, click the settings gear and then just scroll down and then click update and security. And here click as build and system info. Yeah, and then just scroll down and here you can see installed in 24th March 2023. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know Windows installation date in PC or laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.